Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to cover how to find the minimum and maximum value inside of an unsorted array. So we're going to give it some random array and our objective is to print out the minimum and maximum values in the array. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to loop through it and visit every single item and see which one's the smallest with the help of a conditional statement. So let's begin. So let's give it some array. Int array is equal to, let's say, and now we're going to loop through the array. But before we do that, we're going to declare a variable. Well, we're going to declare two variables called min and max. So min is going to equal to the very first value in the array. So why do we do this? So let's say we don't have this. Then we're going to have some conditional statement that says if I is greater than or equal to 0, or then we set the value equal to some number. But what if I give you the value -5? So that's not going to work. The condition is no longer met. So we can't cover all the possibilities because it's on the domain of -infinity to +infinity with some bounds, of course, but the user could put in like -4 billion or like 4 million or something like that. So how can we get through this? Well, we set min equal to the very first value, and we do the same thing with max. So we're going to set that to the very first value. And now our lives are going to be a lot easier. So we're going to set I is equal to 0, and then we do this as long as I is less than the array dot length and I plus plus. And now we're going to have a conditional statement. So this will only work if the value that we're currently on is less than min. If array at I is less than min, then of course min will now equal array of I. We do the same thing, but we just change the operator. So array at I as max, we set max is equal to array of I. So min will equal the smallest value, which is 0, and max will equal the greatest value, which is 12. So let's go ahead and print this out and see if it works. System.out.println plus min. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. So as you can see, max is 12 and min is 0. So what if I inputted, let's say, -5? So min is -5. So let's quickly go through what exactly is happening. So we have our array, we declare min and max as the very first element, and now we go through this for loop, and it says that if array of I, so if 5 is less than min, so if 5 is less than 5, then min is equal to array of I. So 5 isn't less than 5, so we don't go through this conditional statement. And then the same thing, if array at I is greater than 5, then we set max is equal to array of I. So these two aren't met, so we go back to the top. So it sees -5 now because I is now 1. So our array at 1, which is -5, if it's less than min, so what's min? It's array at 0. It sees that -5 is in fact less than 5. So it sets min is equal to array at 1, so this value right here. It keeps on going, and it sees that 2 is no longer less than -5. 10 is not less than -5, and so on and so forth, and so that value has to be the smallest. The same thing goes when we're trying to find the maximum value. So same procedure. So we check if array at I is greater than max, which is not true because 5 is not greater than 5, and then it goes to -5, no longer, that's not true either. So is 2 greater than 5? Nope. 10 is greater than 5, yeah, that's true. So max is now array at 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. This value right here. And then 12 is greater than 10, and then these two values aren't. So it prints out max is 12 and min is -5. So this is a possible technical coding question that a lot of people have gotten, and in general it's just very good practice because you implement a lot of things. So I really hope this video helped. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.